Just to give you guys an update, so I got the mirrors off right. This is kind of a race to Mother Nature because it's getting a little windy, it's getting real cold, my hands are getting a little chilly. But I still gotta mask everything. This is gonna be real fun. So yeah, that's basically what I've got going on. Race against Mother Nature here. What is up, you guys? So here's the E30 front bumper and then the E30 grills. It looks like I'm back out in the shade. I thought the sun was gonna come up, but I guess it goes like this instead. So my plan is, I'm not sure because this is still kind of frozen on here. Maybe I can wipe it all off. What's going on, you guys? So we're back out here one more time. Yes, there's some snow on the ground. Oh my gosh, that's freaking crazy. So over here we got the E30, right? Probably about 32 degrees outside, I would say.
32 degrees outside, I would say.
32 degrees outside, I would say. And that's basically the bare minimum of what I want done to this car for paint is about that temperature. I read online, if you warm up the spray cans, it'll, in some hot water, it'll actually lay on and stick better, so that's the plan. I came out here last night, basically with a broom. I swept all the snow off of the car, because I haven't driven it since it snowed. I'll probably dry it over there. I'll probably jump start it and park it over there in the sun, but I'll paint it over here for now. So basically not all of those are like paint runs, some of them are water runs. I don't know, we'll see. It's getting sanded down regardless, but I don't want it to look awful, so I'm gonna go get some more and let this completely dry. It looks like it's getting like dry right here, you know what I mean? Like ready for its next coat, but this is what I got. E30, you guys. Yo, I wanna know what your guys' favorite Girl Scout cookie is, but s'mores are mine. So it's all white over here now. Some major runs over in this area. Need to hit down there a little bit better again. But runs there, middle of the door, fender a lot. I could always sand it down though, spray some more paint over it because it's just primer. Now I gotta do the other coat on the other side, and I got a total of 5 cans this time, so we should have plenty. So I got a little bit on the roof still, a little bit down low, a lot on this side on the fender, some down low, another coat on the door. See how the deck lid dried.
Several days later.
Alright, what the heck is everybody doing? We are back out here one more time with the LYV shirt. So basically, right before I switch into the second half of the video, I want to give you guys a walk around of the E30 all painted up. The second half of this video is going to be a cinematic video of this drift event I went to. The battery was dying, unfortunately. And yeah, so I just was like at the spot, it's like, well, let me just get some clips. I know the audio is not going to be too great and stuff because it's really windy, but that's basically what the second half of the video is going to be. I really hope you guys are down with the camera quality. I'm definitely trying to step up my game on this channel, and every little thing counts, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this. So right over here we have the E30, all white. It came out pretty good. It dried better than I thought it would have, but the actual painting portion was a nightmare. Got all kinds of runs like this. You see that right there? I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but they're everywhere on each panel. This stability of this camera is phenomenal, by the way. No gimbal. Just wanted to point that out. Here's the rear end. I didn't paint the bumpers, but they're already white. I still have to repair them, but this car is coming together because it is all one color. So that's kind of a walk around. I have been dailying this car, by the way, you guys. To work and back, I work in Boulder. It's about a half an hour drive, and it snowed, so I was driving in this snow. So anyone that wants to say something about my car should say it, because this car is pretty sick. Check out my drift collage. I hope you guys like it. We out here. Gang, gang.
Look, my life's a party, I'm just trying to get my fun in while I'm young and going hard, and this shit I say is stunning. I bust in your face just to let you know I'm coming, and I'm balling in the goal to say that been hearing disrespect from all these children that I'm sunning. Fool, I've been putting work and then you ain't been putting none in. So thinking hating on me might just get you something. Are you dumb?
Videoing with the lens cap on.
Look, I don't get it? You haters are pathetic. See, another man's success should only hurt you if you let it. I know you like my style and my image and aesthetic. How I put my plans in motion, that's kinetic. You get it? Look, hating on me, bro, that shit will get you nowhere. Your bitch checked into my show on her Foursquare. They like how we gets the most, though it's unfair. But hard work is paying big and we don't need to go there. I'm getting business more, homie, fuck you tripping for.
Yeah, it's so profound. Hit the stage, they go wow.
You rappers get ignored, me, I'm who they checking for.
I'm well known now. Hit the stage, they go wow. All these haters on my dick like a condom is, but if they startin' shit, we sparkin' quick like chronic hits. The bomb is chicks give me compliments, and it's common sense, cause I'm coming with the heat like Wade, LeBron, and Chris. DC boy, NG-Eazy down in NOLA. When I drop my album, bet it sells like Motorola. I get naked photos on my Blackberry when I'm touring. Yeah, I love a groupie chick, cause she never questioned my motives. Cocaine, I be coming with the dope. Tell the ministry folks, stay on your toes like a ballerina. I'm spitting my raps, whipping up tracks like I had cleats on. It's a game of Simon Says. How y'all following the leader? Bitch, I'm still undefeated. You ain't seen a single W. Who the fuck are you? I'm the best, no substitute. Stick with my team, perfect family like the Huxtables. Living life and I love it, dude. Yeah.
Business more, homie, fuck you tripping for.
Yeah, it's so drunk.
You rappers get ignored, me, I'm who they checking for.
I'm well known now. Hit the stage, they go wow.
When you ride around in my city, though, niggas moving heavy, shit looking around like a merry-go. Never was the problem, but being a local was seminal. Thinking that you with it will leave you